How to start affiliate marketing using AI in 2024. Step 1. Research and choose a niche. Use AI-powered tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify popular and profitable niches. Analyze the competition and potential for growth using tools like Ahrefs or Moz. Step 2. Set up an affiliate account. Sign up for an affiliate program, for example, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction, that aligns with your chosen niche. Create an affiliate account and obtain your unique affiliate link. Step 3. Create AI-powered content. Use AI-powered content generation tools like Content Blossom, WordLift, or Snoring Cat to create high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your content with relevant keywords and meta tags using AI-powered SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Step 4. Promote your affiliate link. Use AI-powered social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to promote your content and affiliate link on various social media platforms. Leverage AI-powered email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to send targeted email campaigns to your subscribers. Step 5. Track and analyze performance. Use AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush to track your website traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. Analyze your data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategy accordingly. Step 6. Scale your affiliate marketing. Use AI-powered automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT to streamline your workflow and automate repetitive tasks. Continuously create new content and promote your affiliate link to attract more traffic and conversions. Additional tips. Ensure you comply with affiliate marketing guidelines and disclose your affiliation with the product or service you're promoting. Focus on building trust with your audience by providing value and transparency in your content. Stay up to date with the latest AI trends and tools to continuously improve your affiliate marketing strategy.